Welcome, welcome. Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul from at least 3 stores that I went to. And it is a pretty large haul. It's mostly Christmas or related to a Christmas DIY that I'm planning. So I hope you stick around and let's see what all I found. Let me know if you have found any of these items at your stores, and I'm on the look for the glass globes. So let me know if you've seen them, because I'm hoping they haven't discontinued carrying them since changing to Dollar Tree Plus, but I'm having a hard time finding them. So I'm going to have to do something different for my project. Anyway, one thing that I did get at Dollar Tree, and I didn't want to forget to add it in from the plus section, is this beautiful printed canvas of the trees inside the red truck. This is beautiful, and it is a 16 by 20. It's amazing. I didn't want to miss this. It was only $5. $5, folks. They had different ones, but I did want to let you know about that. And back to the video. All right, so we're going to just go bag by bag. I'm going to show you what I found. And do let me know if you have seen these items at your store. So these are really pretty, and I have them in another stack too, are the handmade cards that they put out at Dollar Tree. They're $1.25, of course. And they are really, really pretty special cards. And I like to do something else special with them. So let me show you the ones that I found, and then there's going to be some in another bag too. But this really pretty one with the cardinal, and I just love it. It has the sentiment on the inside. And that ribbon is real ribbon. And then this one with the Christmas trees. Have a Merry Christmas with a sentiment. These are really, really pretty cards. Then this one, super cute. Does anyone else buy these? I just wonder. You will after I show you the project with them. And look at this cute gnome. Is that cute? Okay, so these are for a specific project, but you could just give them away just as they are. They're really, really pretty. And they don't cost you $4 or $5, right? If you wanted to buy a special card. Okay. So I love using the ornaments from Dollar Tree. Generally, I use red, green, gold. That's almost always what I use. But I've had some projects that involve like silvers and blues lately. And so I did pick up some really pretty, you get 16 small ornaments that are blue. And then I did pick up some silver ones. So it's really rare that you'll see me do blue and silver because I do more traditional. But I like to venture out. So how about you? Are you a red and green person? Are you a blue and silver? What's your favorite? Okay, another project, well, there's some more projects, and I'm going to try to get them all in, believe me, that involve these wood pieces. And you may have seen some other projects with them. This is the gingerbread house, or the house. You can make it into a gingerbread house, which I think that's what it needs to be, a gingerbread house. But it's really cute. And then this cute little gnome. And I think this gnome came out for July 4th with the stars. But I like the stars for Christmas. So really, really cute. And then I did get some wood pieces to go with my project. So just wanted you to know about those things available. Then they have some new Christmas or holiday scarves. And they have this really pretty black and red with snowflakes. And then this one is with the poinsettias. Really pretty. It almost has some glitter in it. It's just gorgeous. Beautiful, bright, and just wanting me to give them away, right? I love these. So anyway, or wear them anyway. I do like to give things away, as you guys know. Then for our kids' party, I got some pencils to go in their goodie bags. We're going to be having a party in mid-December. And nothing related to Christmas, but I found these cute stickers. And they were in the package upside down, but so cute. And I'm always on the lookout for stickers. So who else looks out for stickers? Me. Okay. Then I hadn't seen this at Dollar Tree. Does anyone know what it is? Yes, it is. It is a mat to go in your Cricut. And this is just the good size for the Cricut Joy. If you don't have the special smart vinyl, this can be used with your regular vinyl. It is the standard grip, and it is at Dollar Tree. Wow. Can you say, wow? I'm saying, wow. Yeah, stumbled on that. Very surprised. Okay. Now you saw me before pick up some of these globes. I am going to attempt a project with these. Will be different than what I had planned before, but hey, different is good, right? So I did pick up these. These are more your terrarium style. You hang them from like a rope or macrame or something. You don't have to. It can stand. It has a flat end. So like I said, some projects you have to improvise. All right, along that line, I did pick up these candle holders, and they look like this. I got 2 of them, really pretty, and they have the gold rim, which is fine. Okay, just be aware, some things we have to change up. And then next, I picked up some miniatures for another project. Yes, these are puppies and kitties from the toy section. They are miniatures. And then these are from the Christmas Village section. So, yes, I can't wait to do some miniatures. Okay. Next is this I stumbled on. I thought, oh, is that a school box? It's really pretty, and I love the reflection and the colors. But no, it's for Christmas. It just in time for a holiday gift. It is a cosmetic box. This is perfect for travel, you guys. There you can see my tripod. There you are. Look, there you are. Oops. There you are. There you are. So anyway, yeah, it has the tray here and another one, and the mirror is fantastic, and it closes just like this. What a cool thing to find at Dollar Tree for $1.25. And you could put some makeup in it, or some like little wipes and Q-tips and cotton balls, or make it a first aid if you want to. This is awesome for travel. Awesome. Awesome gift. So found that. Probably should have got more than one in reality. Okay. Now at Dollar Tree, they have these lights. They are 5 feet long, 20 lights. These are not LED or anything, but I use them a lot for different projects. These do plug in. These are the plug-in type of lights, not batteries. And I like to keep them on hand because I use them and then, you know, I don't have them anymore. And if you have checked out the price of lights, they are not $1.25. So just saying. Okay. Another thing I ran into, and these are super cute. These are hanging silhouette lights. So this is a silhouette star light. And this is a snowflake. And they have the lights inside the shape. And I think I need batteries, but it has like a suction cup. Let me see. Does it say I need batteries? Let me look at it just a second. All right, these take 3 AAA batteries. So I'm going to have to get those and try them out. And I probably will post a picture either on Instagram or on the community post on YouTube so you can see how they look, because I'm thinking they're going to be gorgeous. And then they have these cute angels. They're metal. They had joy, peace, and one other. I don't remember exactly what it was, but they are really pretty. They love to be a package topper. You could also put a hanger on it if you wanted to be an ornament. It could sit really nicely on your shelf or in a wreath. I just think it's really beautiful. So I did get one to show you, and I'm probably going to put it somewhere in my house. All right, another bag that I did pick up. I picked up these Sure Fresh reusable containers. You actually get 4, and these are the right size for one of my projects. So I did get these. I also picked up the miniature Christmas trees. Miniature. Who likes miniature things? I do. All right, and here are the other 2 cards that I picked up. Here's one. It says Season's Greetings. And this one is the little truck, red truck with the Christmas tree. So I think you could do a lot with these cards, and I'm gonna do a project soon. Okay, so that is that. I have one more bag, and this was from not the same day, not today, actually. And this is the cutest little lanterns that they have now. And they had red, and then they had this white color with the brown specks in it. I don't know. Oh, there we go. I didn't know if I had pulled that. So I don't know if you can see, but that light is on. I don't know if I can get the light much dimmer, but you can see that light is on in there, and it's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. And I think these would be cute on your Christmas tree even, or you could put them in different places around your house, but add them to different things. Like if you decorate your table at Christmas or for the holidays, even a winter scene, that would be really pretty to add to your winter scene. Okay, some ornaments that I picked up. These were at Dollar Tree, and they are super cute. You get 4, and these are small ornaments, and these are the trees, these stockings, cute, huh? And then these are snowflakes. And I think these would be really cute as part, and you know, my mind goes all kinds of places, but these would be really cute as part of napkin rings for your table, as well as other projects too. Then I did pick up some Christmas or holiday winter snowman napkins, and these would be great for ornaments, for those acrylic ornaments that we made a week or 2 ago, and I think those would be great. And then if you're going to do any kind of shaker cards for Christmas, these red, white, and green sequins will be great for these are called ornament fillers, but these would be great for your shaker cards. So I did pick that up. And that is it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this haul. I don't know what my favorite is, but I've been trying to find things for my projects so that we can get going on these Christmas projects, and I'm missing some things that I have to have. So I'm glad that you stuck around to see the haul. Tell me what your favorite is out of everything. And so let me know what you like, and have a wonderful day, night, whenever you're watching this. And thank you so much for watching. Don't miss the Friday giveaways, and don't miss December 1st. Don't miss the Advent calendar video on December 1st. You don't want to miss it. And see what's here. So thank you for Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here.